Emmy winners, opera singers, producers. Oh my! Well, okay, so I would never make a good Dorothy. That I'm good with that. But I do want to tell you why I'm wearing a hat. Well, I'm wearing a hat because I have been so biase this past week with all of this activity that's been happening with 54 the Musicals campaign that I have not had a chance to touch up my roots. So rather than make you endure that, I'm wearing this hat. So apologies. I will get to that soon. I'm here in my office cum bedroom, as you can see. It's also a cat lounge area. That's Lily, who's living the good life. Good for you, Lily. And I wanted to update you as to what's happened since our last video blast. Well, Carlos is not here, obviously. Lily is taking his place and doing a great job. He is on his way back from Boston, where he was doing a little research, checking out another show that has a very similar vibe to ours. Since our last video blast, we got a very sizable donation from a pretty darn prominent Emmy Award-winning television director. In addition to that, we got a very sizable donation from a hugely famous opera singer whose name may or may not be familiar to someone on the team. And we are still in talks with these producers. So, lots of good stuff going on. The crux of our last blast was telling you about this angel donor who has decided that he's going to donate $4,000 to our campaign, up to $4,000 as long as we get a match. So since that announcement, we are proud to say that we have raised $1,400 of that $4,000 that we need to raise to get the match. So I'm asking you today to please think about sending your donation in today if you haven't already. It is going to completely get us to where we need to be. Theater's mad expensive, y'all, not only to go, but also to produce it. And we are just, the little people who are trying to put this together. And it is such a dynamic and dynamite show. And people are totally getting into the whole idea of this production, but we cannot do it unless we get the funding. So if you were thinking about donating, please, please have a heart and help us out. Send in your money and get us to our goal. If we can raise another $4,000, then we are going to be over goal, which is fantastic because it's what we need to get this thing going. Thank you so much in advance. I hope you have a relaxing day, just like little Miss Fatty Pants over there, and can just, take 5 seconds to go online and submit your donation. We will think the world of you and give you such a shout out. Love you. Thank y'all. Bye.